If you've just bought a new Android phone and saw something called Android Switch, you might be wondering, what is it, and do you actually need it? Let's break it down in simple terms. What is Android Switch? Android Switch is an official app developed by Google. It's designed to help you transfer your data from your old phone to a new Android device. This includes switching from iPhone to Android or Android to Android. You usually won't find it on your home screen because it's mainly used during phone setup. What does it actually do? In simple terms, it moves your data. It can transfer things like contacts, photos and videos, messages, apps, basic data, Google account info. You can transfer data wirelessly over Wi-Fi or using a cable for faster speed. Think of it like a one-time setup assistant for your new phone. Here's what most people don't know. Android Switch is not a full backup tool. That means some app data won't transfer. Paid apps don't carry over automatically. Certain things, like iCloud data, need manual setup. And if you're switching from iPhone, you may need to turn off iMessage. Some chats, like WhatsApp, may require a cable. So it's helpful, but not perfect. Is it safe or not? Yes, it's completely safe. It's made by Google, and it only works when you're transferring data. It doesn't run constantly in the background like other system apps. So no hidden tracking concerns and no suspicious activity. It's just a utility tool. Should you use it? Use it if you're setting up a new Android phone, you want to move your data quickly, you're switching from iPhone. Skip it if you want a completely fresh start. You already use cloud backups. Can you delete it? In most cases, you don't need to, because it only runs during setup. It doesn't affect performance afterward. Even if it stays on your phone, it won't consume resources like background apps. So now you know, Android Switch is not a hidden or suspicious app. It's just a one-time data transfer tool that makes switching phones easier. And if you want more detailed information, you can check out the full article link in the description. And for most people, it does the job well. Just don't expect a perfect transfer.